Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. Start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Now we've got this option eye comfort and sleep, so let's enter. And here let me ignore the bedtime mode and let's focus on eye protection. To turn on the eye comfort, simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, and the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen and the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can use this switcher to change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, you can make it cooler. By going to the right, much warmer. You can schedule it also. Just choose the turn on and turn off time, and of course your device will apply it accordingly. I don't want to use the scheduled option. We can also choose the display effects, which means that we can either display the colors normally, and of course they will be affected with the eye comfort shield, or we can display everything in black and white colors. So you can clearly see it when we will change the intensity of the eye comfort option. So it's of course up to you. I think I prefer the colors. So this is how to turn on the feature and how to customize it. And if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar and roll it fully to find the proper icon, which is right here in my case. So let's simply tap on it to turn it off, of course, and tap on it again to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.